Hi everyone, welcome to another help video. In this video I'll show you how to use the AI summary feature in the tip tool. So, what does this feature do? It helps you generate a clear and structured summary of a US patent application. Instead of relying on the abstract, which may be outdated, the system looks at the latest claims and creates a summary based on the current scope of the application. You can always edit or replace this summary later. Quick note: this feature works only for US applications, and a filed application PDF must be uploaded. Now let's see how to use it. First, go to Portfolio Manager and open a US patent application. Here you go. Next, scroll down in the application view. You will see the AI Summary button. This appears only if a filed PDF is available. Click on AI Summary. You will see a pop-up with the AI-generated summary. Review it. If you want to use it, click Replace Existing Summary. This will save the summary to the application. At any time, you can edit the abstract. Now, why is this useful? Patent applications evolve over time. Claims can change, new claims can be added, and some can be removed. But the abstract usually stays the same, so it may not reflect the current scope anymore. The AI summary solves this. It always reflects the latest claims, so you get a more accurate view of what the application currently covers, and you still have full control to edit or replace it anytime. That's it. You can now try the AI summary feature in your own portfolio. Thanks for watching.